Don't you think you desire a better life than rushing out every day to do a 9-to-5 job? Are you not tired of reporting to your boss? This is one of the reasons why I wanted to learn how to make money online. And I'm happy that I made the right decision, which made me independent. And that's what you can do as well. A lot of people have been making money online since the inception of the internet, so you don't have any excuse not to make money. In today's video, I'm going to show you a reliable website, and the good news is this website can help you make a lot of money online and earn as much as $500 daily, even if you don't have any experience or skill. You don't need to invest anything to get started, and it works throughout the whole world. So make sure you pay attention until the end, because I'll give you a lot of genuine bonus resources and free tools that you'll need to get started. But before I proceed, welcome to Rachel's Money Guide, where I teach people how to make money online the easiest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you'll be notified. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you have any questions, comments, or opinions bothering you, feel free to leave a comment down below. Now let's continue with the video. Before I reveal the secret of today's strategy, I want you to visit this website called Amazon.com. Check out the Kindle ebook section. And when I scroll down a bit, you'll see that there are a lot of people selling ebooks on this website for a specified amount of money. And when I continue scrolling down, you'll see that there are many Kindle ebooks that people post on this website, and they're making a lot of money. You can see here, this is an ebook with more than 1,000 reviews. People are leaving reviews after purchasing these Kindle ebooks on Amazon.com. Let's say each Kindle ebook costs $15, and 1,000 people purchase this ebook. This seller will make $15,000. You don't even need any experience to start selling on Amazon.com. You don't need any investment. It's free. All you need to do is copy and paste using a done-for-you template. Do some editing, go over to Amazon.com, publish, and start earning. Don't worry, I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step method. So make sure to keep watching the video until the end. The next thing I'm going to do right now is visit visme.co. This website enables you and me to create high-quality and catchy Kindle ebooks for free. And you can start selling them on Amazon and make a lot of money without any experience at all. This is a 3-step process. It won't take much of your time at all. So the first step you're going to take is you're going to choose a done-for-you template. There are a lot of templates that you can choose from, so make sure you stay tuned so that you won't miss out on anything. The second step is about editing the text or whatever you want to edit after choosing a done-for-you template. You can even change the font size and the font color. Step number 3, you're going to download the ebook for free, so you can start publishing on Amazon and make a lot of money. Keep watching this video until the end, because I'm still going to give you other tips that no one has ever revealed before. So when you land on the homepage of visme.co, just go ahead and click on this Create button right here. After clicking on the Create button, scroll down here and click on the document icon right here. And then come over to this page where you can start creating eye-catchy documents, which means that you can create an ebook for free right here. You don't need to pay anything to do this. After that step, go ahead and click on this blue button right here. And then come over to this page where you can sign up for free, so you can start creating your ebook. Everything is so easy right here. Once you click on the register button, you're going to come to this page where it asks, what do you want to use Visme for? You can choose for personal use, and when you log into your dashboard, as you can see here, you can start creating documents. As you can see here, when you scroll down below this place, you'll see that there are different documents, for example, reports, proposals, resumes, cover letters, and so on. And I want you to move this bar right here and go on. And we're going to look for this one right here, which is ebooks. As you can see here, ebook. just click on this button right here. Once you click on the ebook button, when you scroll down below, you can see that there are different templates that you can choose from, which are very high quality and eye-catchy, as you can see here. So as you can see here when I scroll down a bit, there are many different done-for-you templates that you can just click on, and you can get everything done for you 100% automated for free. Now I'm going to give you the first bonus that I promised earlier. As you can see here on the Kindle ebook, there are different categories of ebooks that you can sell on this website. There are arts and photography, business and money, education and teaching, and more. But I want you to focus on the health, fitness, and dieting category, because many people are interested in this category and it will make you a lot of money. All you need to do is search for a template that perfectly fits these categories. So go ahead and choose this template right here. As you can see, this is very unique and perfect for the health and fitness category. So whenever you click on the preview button right here, you can see what is inside this particular ebook. So this is the cover photo, and this is the table of contents. When you scroll down below, you can see these are all the pages within this template. They are all done for you, and they're going to educate people on how to lose weight, and also the kind of foods people can consume. So there is a lot of information in this template, and this is a done-for-you ebook that you can just copy and paste. If you're learning something from this video, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's continue from where we stopped. So right now, once you've selected a suitable template, go ahead and click on this blue button, Use this template. After you're done with that, you will come over to this new page where you can edit and change anything you want. I'm recommending this website because it gives you a cover picture. So this is the cover of the ebook, which is of high quality and eye-catchy. And when you scroll down, you'll see the table of contents and all the information, like information about calories, a healthy diet plan, and other valuable information that you can just copy and paste and start selling on Amazon Kindle ebook under the health and fitness category. Right here on this page, if you don't like anything, you can change the text, the font color, the font size, and edit anything you want. The best part of this is that everything is done for you, so you don't have to change anything if you don't want to. You can also change the title of the ebook and maybe type in Health Secrets, or change the homepage of this ebook, especially this buy line over here. So you can use your real name or nickname right here. And once you're satisfied with the changes, you can just go ahead and click on the download button on top. Once you click on the download button, you're going to come over to this new page and just click on this blue download button. It's that easy. You can do this with just a few clicks of a button on your smartphone or your personal computer. If you're still staying tuned, kindly comment down below if you're going to start with this method. And please don't forget to like this video, because I'm going to be uploading new videos as usual, and you wouldn't want to miss out on any new secret methods. Another bonus tip on how to earn more money online is by using freeplrdownloads.com. You can find a lot of ebooks that you can simply copy and paste on this website for free. They are all done for you, and there are a lot of different categories available. Our focus today is on the health category, so all you need to do is click on this health link right here, then come over to this category of health and search for different done-for-you Kindle ebooks that you can download for free. For example, check out this ebook right here with this title. All you need to do here is just go ahead and click on this ebook right here and then come over to this page. Now when you scroll down below, you can see a blue download button, which is the download button. Go ahead and click on this download button for free, using your smartphone or your computer. Now once you're done downloading all the health category ebooks, you can focus on another different category. For example, online marketing, technology, dating and relationship, and so many categories of ebooks that you can focus on. And you can start selling them on Amazon Kindle and make a lot of money without paying for anything. Once you've gotten your ebooks on Visme, go ahead and upload them to Amazon. But you will have to visit kdp.amazon.com. KDP.amazon.com allows you to start publishing your ebooks just like this one right here. As you can see here, Get to Market Fast Publishing only takes less than 5 minutes. And as you can see here, Kindle stores are available worldwide. All you need to do is click on the sign up button showing here. And then you will come over to the page where you can log into your account. But if you are a newbie on Amazon, you can scroll down a bit where you'll see New to KDP. This is the link to create your KDP account. And once you click on this button right here, you're going to be directed to this page where you can create an account for free. And you can start selling from anywhere worldwide. Just enter your name, your email, your password, and confirm your password, and just click on this Create Your KDP Account. And this is where you can start publishing your ebooks by just uploading them on Amazon. And wait for orders to start rolling in. It's that easy. Do you want to learn how you can make money online by copy and pasting? Click here.